Hi guys, this is Mahipal here, your mentor coach for trading. Today I want to talk about three important phases of your trading life cycle. The first phase is when you understand the technical side of trading, which you can learn using price action or indicators or any trading setup. So that's not a big deal. You can find even a simple indicator like super trend with a setting of 10-3 and trade. But the second phase is difficult. The phase one is easy. You can just get a lot of trading strategies. In stage two is where everybody, including myself, we make losses. Why? Because there's only one reason. There's only one reason. There's not even a second reason. The reason why we all make loss is because we don't wait for the trade to come to us. The moment we see the candle or the moment we see some formation, we just enter and forget what we learned in phase one. What is our setup? What is our rule? How are we going to enter? So, most of the time, a trader spends his entire, you can say, non-profitable day between these two, finding a system and then forgetting a system, until he realizes that I should not argue with my system. If super trend 10-3 is giving me a buy, I will go for buy. If price action trend line tells me there's a support, I will go for buy. But people don't understand this, and they are oftenly confused between what they think and what the market is doing. And then they blame the market, saying this market takes away money. No, nobody asked you to come and trade. You came with your will. So stop blaming the market and for once start blaming yourself. If you don't understand that you have to do multi time frame analysis, always start with the month, week, day, 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. If you are not understanding trend between all these cycles, you're not ready to trade. Just accept it. Stop putting your money and blowing up your money. So that's phase two, where you start understanding after you've made a lot of loss that I will stick to rules no matter what. And then you start seeing the sunshine. So you need to wait for the trade to come to you and happily marry the profit that your emotions can accept. No matter what, I stick to 1000 profit and 500 rupee loss. That's it. That's a simple system, because I don't want to deploy more capital in naked buying. I want to put all my capital in hedging. That's phase three, where you don't want to spend your entire day looking at a chart. I trade for 1000 or 2000 because I am not interested in spending my time for more than 15-20 minutes. I have a design, I have a system, I follow it. I want all of you to have a design, a system you can follow. If you need help, please ping me. I can arrange a Zoom session for all of you to again explain you how do you have your design and system. Now the third part, understanding that once the trade comes to you, you will realize that 80% of the game is actually waiting and only 20% of the game is execution. Now, what do you do if you're just waiting for a trade? That's where you learn hedging. Because when hedging happens, actually time decay happens. And when time decay happens, you get profit. See, it's not a big secret to understand hedging. It's very simple. But if you learn technicals, if you learn psychological, if you learn price action, and if you're still making loss again and again, it's a very simple thing. You are addicted and you think it's your privilege to come in the market and earn every day. Sorry. Privileged people work for their privilege. Practice, practice, practice. Unless I don't give homework, people don't come to me. Why? You are earning for yourself, not for me. So please start practicing. Share that in the group. Use this community of people who are there in this group. Ask questions. What do you think, guys? I think the price will go up from here. Why are you only behind options? There are so many shares in this world, you can use them. I have given so many scanners. So, guys, please make use of it if you're very serious about making money. Else, you will keep crying, keep grumbling, and keep complaining. If you want to change your life, it's in your hand. I'm there for you, to support you, to educate you. But if you don't want to be helped, nobody can help you. So, with that note, if you like what I said, if you believe in what I said, if you want to be a good trader, kindly give me a thumbs up so I know that you're listening to this and it will encourage me to make such more audio files for you. Hasta la vista. Catch you tomorrow. Bye, guys.